If you'd like to review your previous tests to prepare for your final exam, log into your course in NDSCS Online. Scroll down to click My Grades. Click the title of the exam you'd like to review. Look for the score in the Calculated Grade column and click the score. Review your questions. Click OK when finished. Click OK again to go back to My Grades. Select another test and repeat the process. If you are not able to see results of a previous exam, it may be that the instructor has restricted access to that information. You will need to contact your instructor to find out if it can be opened for review.